Ready to unlock the power of interactive WhatsApp experiences that convert? We are diving into creating a flow catalog in Aisensy. First, log into your Aisensy account and navigate to the Flows section located in the left-hand menu. Now, click on the Create Flow button. This will open a new window where you can start building your flow catalog. You'll see a blank canvas. This is where you'll design the structure of your flow, step by step. On the left-hand side, you'll find a menu of elements. Drag and drop the catalog element onto the canvas. This is the heart of your flow catalog. Click on the catalog element you just added. A settings panel will appear on the right here. You can give your catalog a name and description. This helps you organize and identify it later. Now, it's time to add products or services. Click at item and fill in the details like the product name, description, price, and an image URL. Repeat this for each item you want in your catalog. Connect the catalog to the next steps in your flow. You can use elements like send message with buttons, collect input to gather information, or even connect to other flows. Once you're happy with your flow, click the Save button at the top right of the screen. Congratulations, your flow catalog is now created and ready to be integrated into your WhatsApp campaign. Start engaging your customers a whole new way and watch those conversions soar.